Recording in progress.
Next, operate. What you are learning? Operators. How many categories completed? How many? Two categories completed. What are those? Arithmetic. Second one, relational operators. These two completed. Okay. Next, logical operators. Okay. So arithmetic operators, relational operators completed. Third category, logical operators. Note. Third category, logical operators. Logical operators. Note. Operator meaning. Yes, so after completion of language basics, I'll add HTML, CSS to JavaScript. Okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Three I'll combine. Now logical operators, logical and logical or logical not, logical and logical or logical not. Logical and logical or logical not. Three operators. These all same in other programming languages also. No change. Logical operators and or not. Say logical and logical not or logical not. You observe here. Just directly I'll give one table and directly one example I'll give, I'll finish. Like a C language, like a Java language, no need to learn. You observe true, false, true, false, true, true, here true, false, false, false. These all everyone knows, I think. True and true. Result will be true. True and false. False. False and true. False. False and false. False. See, here logical and operator. If both are true, then only true. If both are true, then only true. Okay. Remaining all false. True and true. It will be true. True and false. It will be false. True, false and true. It will be false. false and false, false. That means both are true, then only true. Remaining all false. Here, true or true. It will be true. True or false. True or false, true only here. False or true. True. False or false. Here, if both are false, then only false. Remaining all true. Not true. False. Not false. That's it. Right, this one. They already all are learning other language. These all same. No change. Java language or Python language or a C sharp. Within 1-2 days, I'll complete language basics. Okay, within 1-2 days, I'll complete. Then I'll go for client side JavaScript. HTML, CSS, I'll mix. How it will be useful in HTML and CSS, you will understand. JavaScript, how it will be useful. It is language basics. Up to control statements, language basics. Okay, after that, client side JavaScript. Logical and, if both are true, then only true. Logical or, if both are false, then only false. Not true. False. Not false. True. Okay. These are logical operators. Now, is it over? Logical and, logical or, logical not. These tables, if you remember enough, you can give your answer. Is it completed? See the example. Which tag we are right? Script. Open, close. Here, let A equal to 5, B equal to 3, C equal to 2. Okay. Now, here, document, now let D equal to, you observe A greater than B and A greater than C. Now, A greater than B. True or false? A greater than C. True and true. True. Okay. Suppose if I write like this, what it comes? False. Okay. Document dot write D. Suppose let E equal to A greater than B or A greater than C. If I write, what is output comes? What is output? True. Document dot write E. File save. C drive demo.html. Say false, true. Here, you observe. Here, A greater than B, 5 greater than 3, true. A greater than C, 5 greater than 2. True. True and true. It will be true. But I given not. False. That's what this output is false. It is true. It is true. True or true. It will be true. That's what true. Here I didn't apply not. Here this operator is called logical and. This operator is called logical or. This operator is called logical not. But this operator is called greater than, relational operator. Relational operator. Okay. Here logical and is there, logical or is there, logical not is there. All in one program over. Okay. Write this one. Example. All in one program I given. Like a C language, like a Java language, many examples not required. One example enough. Client side JavaScript, you have to spend time. Okay. Language basics, because already you are familiar with other languages. It is nothing. Client side JavaScript, you have to concentrate more. Over. So I used logical and, I used logical or, I used logical not. All I used. But till I didn't explain let, where, constant. I didn't explain. Okay. What is let, what is constant, what is where, what's the difference? If I don't write what will happen, this all I have to explain. Scope is there, variable scope concept is there. I have to explain. Okay. What's the difference between let, where, and constant? Also interview question. That is I have to explain, not completed. Even object, method, definitions also I didn't give till. What is object, what is method? These all I didn't explain till. Okay, just the basics I'm covering first. Syntaxes, you'll understand JavaScript related syntaxes. Then I'll start client side JavaScript. At the time, complete notes I'll give about that. Okay. Now, this is logical operators example. Now, next one, increment and decrement operators. 1 minute. Written. Heading written. Not written. Okay, wait. Now, first types of operators we'll see. Types of operators. Types of operators. Note on. There are 3 types of operators. First one, unary operator. Second one, binary operator. Third one, ternary operator. There are 3 types of operators. First one, unary operator. Second one, binary operator. Third one, ternary operator. Unary, binary, ternary. Okay. Unary operator. An operator that operates on only one operand. is called as unary operator. An operator that operates on only one operand is called as unary operator. An operator that operates on only one operand is called as unary operator. An operator that operates on only one operand is called as unary operator. Here, operand can be variable, comma, literal, or expression. Here, operand can be a variable, can be a literal, can be an expression, can be an expression. Say, here operand can be a variable, literal, or expression. Okay. Say, an operator that operates on only one operand is called as unary operator. Here, operand can be a variable, literal, or expression. Say, suppose if you write a plus b, if you write, now plus is an operator operating on two operands, that is binary. Just now you have seen not a, like this you can write. Not is the operator operates on only one operand, that is called unary. If the operator operates on one variable or one literal or one expression, then you can call it as unary. Okay. See, you observe. Let a equal to true. Okay. Let b equal to not a. If I write. Now it is operator, not operator. Okay. This operator operating on only a. It is called unary operator. If the operator operating on one variable or one literal or one expression, that is called unary. You observe in this program here, it is not. It is operating on this operand, that is expression. Okay. On this result only it is operating. First, this will work. Next, this will work. Next, this logical AND works. After that, it is applied. This is applied on result. So, this complete expression evaluated. After getting result, on that result, it is operated. So, it is operating on only one operand. That's what unary. Okay. Next. Binary operator. An operator that operates on two operands is called as binary operator. Ternary operator. An operator that operates on three operands is called as ternary operator. An operator that operates on one operand, unary operator. An operator that operates on two operands, binary operator. An operator that operates on three operands, ternary operator. But four operands operator is not there. Okay. Four operands operator is not there. Unary, binary, ternary. Only three. If it is operating on one variable, unary. Two variables, binary. Three variables, ternary. Four operands operator is not there. Okay. Now, arithmetic operators you have seen. Arithmetic. How many arithmetic operators are there? How many? Six. What are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, exponentiation. In these six, how many unary, how many binary, how many ternary? All are binary. All binary only. Two variables you are writing. No? That means all binary. Second category, relational operators you studied. How many relational operators you studied? 7, 8 different answers. Yesterday only studied. 8 operators. 8. What are those? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equals to, not equals to, strict equals to, strict not equals to. Total 8. In this 8, how many unary, how many binary, how many ternary? All are binary only. Just now today you studied one category, logical operators. What are those? Logical and, logical or, logical not. How many unary, how many binary, how many ternary? 2 binary, 1 unary. Which is unary? Not operator unary. Okay, you can identify now? No. Now, if I write like this, A plus B star C, what is this? It is expression. Okay. How many operators are there? 2 operators or 1 operator? 2 operators are there. Okay. It is not called ternary. 2 binary. Now, in this expression, first what is evaluated? B star C. Here B, C, 2 variables are there. So, binary. After that, this is A and result. A and result. 2 variables are there again. Binary. That means this is not called ternary. 2 binary operators. Ternary operator till I didn't explain. That is only one conditional operator. Okay. Ternary operator, only one is there. In other languages also, only one. That is conditional operator. Okay. So, maximum binary. Maximum binary. Few operators, unary. 1 operator, ternary. 4 operands operator is not there. Okay. 4 operands operator is not there. Now, that means first category you studied. First category, arithmetic operators you studied. In this, how many unary, how many binary, how many ternary? All binary. How many operators? 6 binary are there. Okay. Next you studied relational operators. How many you studied? 8 binary only. Just now you studied logical operators. 2 binary and 1 unary. Okay. Now 3 categories completed. Okay. You observe 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 3, 17 operators over. Okay. Next, increment and decrement operators. Note. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. Operator meaning. Plus plus, increment by 1, minus minus, decrement by 1, increment and decrement. Increment and decrement operators. You observe, this is many people are getting confusion. Very simple, I'll explain. You observe, here pre, post, two concepts are there here. Here, if you write a variable, after operator, otherwise operator, if you write before variable, it is called pre-increment. If you write after variable, post increment. Minus minus a, pre-decrement. A minus minus, post decrement. Note down. Pre-increment, post increment, pre-decrement, post decrement. Pre-increment, post increment, increment, post decrement. JavaScript also one full-fledged programming language. Everything is there. Everything. Functions are there, methods are there, objects are there, encapsulation is there, abstraction is there, inheritance, polymorphism, everything is there. It is also one full-fledged programming language. Top 5 language, this language also is there. Okay. Client side, number 1 programming, JavaScript only. Client side. Now, pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. These 4. Now you observe. Is it over? Writing is over? Now, listen with concentration. I'll give examples, pre-post differences. Pre-increment. Don't write, just listen, because this is somewhat confusion. Pre-increment examples. Here, post-increment examples. Now, you observe pre-increment and post-increment examples I'll give. Only 3 examples I'll give. With that, you'll understand. With that, any example you can give answer. You observe. First one you observe. Let a equal to 5. Let a equal to 5. Let a equal to 5 plus a. Document dot write a. Okay. Here. Let a equal to 5. Let a plus plus. Document dot write a. Okay. You observe. Is it pre-increment or post-increment? This one, if the operator prefixed pre, if the operator suffixed, that is post. Like that you can identify. Now, what will be happen? You observe here. First, a equal to 5. In a value stored 5. In a value stored, that is 5. Plus a, it is incremented by 1. Now, output is here value 6. This output is 6. Okay. Here let A equal to 5. A value 5. Now it is incremented by 1. Value 6. Then output 6. Is there any difference? No difference. If you write a programs like this, there is no difference between pre and post. Both are same. In this case, both are same. Different situations will be there. Okay. It is one situation. In this situation, there is no difference between pre and post. In this situation, there is no difference between pre and post. Both are same. Both are same. Now, one more situation I'll give. You observe. You observe. Second one. Let A equal to 5. Let B equal to plus A. Now, document dot write A comma B. Now, second, let A equal to 5. Let B equal to A plus plus. Here, document dot write A comma B. Now you observe. First, here A memory 5. A value 5. Here B memory allocated. Here it is pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment. First incremented. Then what is the value of A? 6. Then this value stored in B. Then what is stored in B? 6. Here what is the output comes? A value 6. B value 6. Okay. Now here you observe A. First initially A value 5. Here B memory allocated. It is pre-increment or post-increment? Post-increment. Incrementation later. First A value copied in B. What is copied? 5. After that plus A plus plus. What will happen? 6. Then what is the A value? 6. What is the B value? 5. Difference is there, no? Difference is there, no? In this situation, different. So, you compare here and here. Here, in this second line, any other operation is there? No. But here, second line, two operations are there. Incrementing is there, assignment is there. First incremented, later assigned. Because pre-increment. But it is post-increment. Incrementation later. Pre-increment, first increments. Post-increments, later increments. Postpone. Incrementation, postpone, later. So, here first, pre-increment, first incremented, it will become 6. That is copied in B. It is post-increment, incrementation later. First A value copied in B. So, 5 copied in B. Then incremented. So, then you will get it. A value 6, B value 5. Difference is there, no? So, in first one, pre-post, there is no difference. In second case, there is a difference. That means more than one task is there. More than one task is there. Difference is there. Only one task is there. No difference. Okay? See. Here, it is second one. Third one. One more I'll give you observe. Third one. Let A equal to 5. Document dot write plus A. Here, let a equal to 5. Document dot write a plus plus. Now you observe, first initially what is the a value? 5. A value 5. Is it pre-increment or post-increment? First incremented. It will become 6. After incrementing, this output printed. What is output comes? 6 is the output. Here let a equal to 5. A value initially 5. Is it pre-increment or post-increment? First printed. What is printed? 5 printed. Here 5 printed. After printing, what will happen? It will become 6. So, pre-increment, first increments, then prints. Post-increment, first prints, later increments. That difference is there. 3 different situations are given. Now, any other example, this situation only comes. This any other example you take, only these situations comes. If only one operation is there, here in second line, what is there? Plus plus a. Here what is there? A plus plus. No other operation. In that situation, there is no difference between pre and post. More than one operation is there, then difference is there. Here, one operation incrementing is there, one more operation assignment is there. Pre-increment, first increments, then assigned. Post-increment, first assigned, later incremented. Here 2 operation, printing is there, incrementing is there. Pre, first increments, post-increment, later increments, first printed. So, second example, third example, there is a difference output. First example, there is no difference. Is it clear? Write this one. Write the program, write the complete notes, pre-post differences. Write it. So don't neglect JavaScript. JavaScript is most important. You may get a job as a front-end developer with only JavaScript knowledge also. With only JavaScript knowledge also, you may get a job. Chances are there. As a front-end developer. With only JavaScript knowledge also, jobs are there. Many scripting languages are there, but JavaScript is number 1 for client side. Many scriptings are there. JavaScript, Python script, VB script, TypeScript. Many scriptings are there, but JavaScript is world number 1 programming language for client side. Server side Java top rating. Client side JavaScript top rating. So more than one operation is there. Pre and post, there is a difference. Only one operation is there. There is no difference between pre and post. More than one operation is there, then only difference. Okay. Otherwise, there is no difference. Is it completed? See. See. Already I told no, server side Java number one, client side JavaScript number one. Now, you observe, let A equal to 10. Here, plus A. Document dot write A. What is the output? What is the output? 11. Okay. Suppose A minus minus. What is the output? 9. Okay. Now, let B equal to minus minus A. What is A value? What is B value? A value, B value. A value 9. B value 9. It is pre-decrement or post-decrement? Pre-decrement. First decremented, then copied in B. Okay. So 9, 9. Clear? Now, if it is A minus minus, what is the output? A value 9. B value 10. First A copied in B, then decremented. So A value 9, B value 10. Okay. Now, increment or decrement, concept is same. Okay. Now, if I write plus A, what is the output? 11. If I write minus A, 9. If I write A minus, what is the output? 10. If I write A plus, what is the output? 10. Clear? That's it. Now, little bit I'll change. Let P equal to A equal to 10, B equal to 3. Let C equal to A plus B. Document dot write A, B, C. A value, B value, C value. First A value 11. B value 4. C value how much? 14. Now, it is pre-increment or post-increment? Post-increment. This is first incremented. B value 4. Year later incremented 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So C value 14. A value 11. B value, C value 14. File save. See 11, 14, 11, 4, 14. 11, 4, 14. Clear? Write this one. . let C equal to A plus 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 B. If you write, it is pre-increment or post-increment. This one, that's what first this is incremented. Okay. Now after that, this A value plus this A value plus this plus plus B, then plus will be done. Okay. The result stored in C. Okay. Later, this A plus plus incremented. So initially A value 10. Initially A value 10. B value 3 initially. C value here. First, this will be done. This is first. Okay. Plus plus B 4. After that, plus. It is A value 10 plus plus B 4. 10 plus 4, 14. Then incremented 11. So this output is 11, 4, 14. 11, 4, 14. Eleven, 4, 14. More than one operation is there, you'll get the difference. Single operation is there, no difference. Eleven, 4, 14. Is it over? So first plus plus B. So first this will work. First this is worked. Okay. Next this is worked. Next this is 3. First plus plus B. So 3 becomes 4. This A value 10, this B value 4, 14. Then this is stored in C. Later plus plus, then 11. Output A value 11, B value 4, C value 14. Okay. Is it over? Now, suppose if you write like this. Okay, 1 minute. Now, if I write, suppose plus plus A plus B plus plus. A value, B value, C value. A value 11, B value 4, C value 14. Again, same. This is post increment. This is pre increment. Previously, that is post, this is pre, that's it. At last, 14. File, save. See, no change. Same output. But first plus plus A, later plus B, later plus plus. Okay, write this one also. Let C equal to plus plus A plus B++. So first this will work. This value plus this B value. Result stored in C. Later plus plus. This is first. This is second. This is third. First, second, third. 11, 4, 14. First 10 becomes 11. Here 14. Next it becomes 4. 11, 4, 14. I explained 3 examples now. That is, if you remember any code, any example you can give. The 3 situations I explained. With that, hundreds of examples possible. At last, concept is same. Whatever I taught, pre-increment examples, post increment example, 3 examples I given now. That concept, remember, any code snippet you can give right answer. Okay. Is it completed? So here it is pre-increment, first increments. It is post increment, later increments. That's what addition done. First it is incremented, then addition done. This is later incremented. So this will become 11. Later it becomes 14. After that it will become 4. Okay. Suppose in the B++ place, plus B if I write 15. That's it. Okay. In the place of B++, if I write plus B, 15. That's it. Okay. Now, these all increment and decrement. Fourth category, increment and decrement operators. These operators are unary operators. Next, bitwise. Bitwise operators. Bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XR. Left shift. Right shift. Complement. We can also call tilde. This category not important in JavaScript. This binary operator, binary data operates. Java, JavaScript not important. These are C language important. These operators. Image processing application they'll use. So that is C language popular. Now, note on the above all bitwise operators operate on binary data. The above all bitwise operators operate on binary data. First, data converted into bit format, binary format, ones and zeros. On that, it is operated. First, data converted into binary format. On that, it is going to be operated bitwise. So, bitwise works. Every bit, on every bit operates. First, data converted into binary format. Number of formats are there, no? You studied literals. How many categories of literals? 4. What are those? Numeric literals, string literals, Boolean literals, object literal. Numeric literals, how many? 7. What are those? Decimal, octal, hexadecimal, binary. Binary is there, no? Binary, on that binary. Ones and zeros. Okay? Now, after that, floating point numbers and exponential. Next, big int. Here also one table is there. Say 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now you observe 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0. If both are 1, then only 1. Here, 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0. If both are 0, then only 0. If both are 0, then only 0. Here 1 XOR 1, 0. 1 XOR 0, 1. 0 XOR 1, 1. 0 XOR 0, 0. On this operates. Try this one. First, data converted into bit format. On that bit format operated. Right is all. On this binary, first of, if you write decimal number also, decimal number converted into binary number. On binary data, this table is applicable. Okay. Note on. Over. Here, it is bitwise. 2 ampersand symbols if you write, logical. 2 pipe symbols if you write, logical. This is only one symbol. This is bitwise and both are 1, then only 1. Remaining all zeros. Here both are zeros, then only 0. Remaining all ones. Okay. Now 1 XOR 1, 0, 0 XOR 0, 0. 1 XOR 0, 1. 0 XOR 1, 1. Both are same is 0. Both are different is 1. Like this. Okay. Say, what will be happen? Suppose here, let A equal to suppose 8, 9. Let B equal to suppose 10. Now, first 9 converted into binary. 10 converted into binary. 1s and zeros comes now. On that, this is applicables. First 9 decimal number converted to binary. Again 10 converted to binary. On that, 1 bit we have to check. That is, I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. With the tomorrow class, this basics operators will finish. Control structures also I'll start tomorrow. Maybe Monday, Tuesday I'll start client-side JavaScript. Online students or David. Yeah, loops also are there. Conditional statements all are there in JavaScript also. Akshay, these many days over till you didn't take notes. Drive link you didn't take. Deepak. Yeah, it will take 20 days. 15-20 days required to complete. Vanamala, post increment, pre increment. The chart I given no, based on that. Just wait, I'll show you. Hussein, notes already shared. No? Every day I'm sharing. No? With notepad, you ask for notepad, I'm sharing. Lakshmi, these notes I'll share in 5 minutes. Pratiksha, 15-20 sessions required. Azaruddin, if you assign to A, that A value comes. Ajay, that is browser related problem. Change the browser. Mohammad Saad, those are not required in JavaScript. Shivam, yes, required. Ishwar. Thank you. Say, if you write like this, plus plus A, it will become 11, then prints. If you write A plus plus, it will print 10. After that increments. This is a concept. P equal to 3. A equal to A plus 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 B plus plus. C. A. 13. It is post. It is post. A plus B. 10 plus 3. 13. 13 stored in A. That's what 13 comes. Palindrome, those are not required in JavaScript. In Java, Python required. Trivikram. How to run in browser? Open the browser, type the file name. Yes. Frameworks. Yeah, competition is there. Nowadays, frameworks also they'll ask. jQuery is a JavaScript library. Nowadays, they are not using Satyanarayana. They are using React.js. Kanha Nayak, 9th day notes, I'll share. That a PDF is there, I'll share. Any other doubts? Post increment, third point, just now I explained. 2 times I repeated. Just now I explained. Sai Tarun. Yeah, if you are a full stack student, learn. Yeah, I'll share the notes just now. In 5 minutes, I'll share. We'll see continuation tomorrow.